Happy 8th Revolutionary Birthday, EFF. We may wear different colors, but we are not enemies. Political tolerance is a central tenet in a democracy, and I choose to use it and extend congratulations to the EFF, the fighters, the leadership, and in particular, the CIC. In the last 8 years, you have done what many thought wouldn't succeed. We see you. We see your growth. We see your reach. We see your support. We see your commitment for Black people. And if you are for Black people, you are a friend of mine. If you are for the return of our land, you are a friend of mine. If you are for nationalization, you are a friend of mine. If you are for free education, you are a friend of mine. And if you are for Black people playing a vital role in our economy, you are definitely a friend of mine. As you continue to grow, remember, they can kill a man, but they can't kill your ideas.